of these beers are filled with nitrous, which is a gas, and as you can see, as it starts to rise, the level of this, because it's compensated for, so whatever's in here is going to turn into here. And his is actually poured a lot after mine, but yet it's still rising incredibly faster because you never know. Different elements, who knows why. But it's funny because a lot right now that's going on with the water in the ocean is like this. The ocean, well, we're going to drink it. Patience is a virtue, love. So we're having a tutorial right now with beer. We're referring to it as above, so below. The universe is like this right now. So in the water right now, in the ocean, the polar ice caps are melting, so that solid is turning into liquid, and it's still being compensated for because there is counted space for that. So the problem is no one's taking into account that all the land water is going to go in because all drains lead to the ocean. So if I were to take your beer right now and pour your beer right now in mine, I'd overflow it. And thus lies what's happening with climate change. Cheers, huh?